Hello everyone and welcome to this video. So in this program, we will be taking a step into searching algorithms. Going forward, if there are a number of important concepts in each code solution video that I put out, I will try my best to highlight them during the duration of the video, so please bear with me. The code in this video performed a linear search on an integer array. A linear search is as it sounds. You start at the first index and search through the array until you find what you are looking for. In this case, we have an array full of random numbers and we want to know what position or index a specific number exists in the given array. If it doesn't exist, it tells us by printing something like key not found or number not found to the terminal screen. The key takeaway from this code is why we chose a linear search for this specific situation. We all know that in coding, there is no one way of doing anything, and that most of the time, the action you take heavily depends on a number of factors. Most of the time, we want to focus on minimizing the time and space needed to perform that specific task. So if you took a data structures and algorithms course, you will know that the runtime for a linear search is O of n, meaning that in the worst case scenario, the algorithm will need to make n number of comparisons in order to achieve its task, where n stands for the size of the array. I don't want to turn this into a crash course on data structures and algorithms, but if that is something that you want me to cover, let me know in the comments down below and I'll be sure to make a series covering data structures and algorithms. Okay, so with that aside, one thing that I also wanted to touch on about the array is that the array is random and unsorted. Because of that, the element that we are looking for can be anywhere in the array. So we have no choice but to start from the beginning of the array and search through it until we find said element. That is why we chose to use the linear search algorithm. So keep that in mind that given a random unsorted array, assuming we cannot sort the array or have any power over the structure of the array, when given the assignment to find a possible element inside of the array, it is best to run a linear search in order to find the element. And that is why we chose to use the linear search in this video. And this video basically goes over how to code a linear search. The searching algorithm is pretty straightforward, but if you want access to the code, let me know and I'll put it in my GitHub repository. There are other ways of searching and finding elements in a given data structure, but all of that depends on a number of factors such as the actual data structure that we are searching through and other things like the time and space that we want to utilize in order to perform that specific task. And I'll be sure to cover those concepts in upcoming videos in the future. With that said, thank you for watching. Like if it helped you out and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you and bye.